Alright, we move on to the next part whereby we want to see some solving of questions using the concept of tangent. Alright, so now let's say we take one first question here. Circle, given a circle. Now AB is said to be the tangent of the circle. Alright, we have got two chords here, AD and CD. These are called chords and they are of the same length. Okay, question wants us to find the values of x and y. Alright, okay, so now if you remember, we did three theorems under tangent. So this is the third theorem whereby you actually have a triangle drawn inside the circle and this is a tangent. So here we are talking about a segment. This is a minor segment and this is a major segment. So these are the alternate segments. So in this case, let's say we are looking for y. Alright, so to get y, this is actually an isosceles triangle. So what we can actually do is y will become 42 degrees. So this is 42. So therefore, y is 42 degrees based on the third theorem that we did under tangents. Okay, so now this one being isosceles, so what we can actually do is to find your angle DAC, so this will be, because it's isosceles, so it's 180 minus 42 degrees and you divide it by 2 because each one will be the same. Alright, so you actually get 180 minus 42 and you divide it by 2, so each angle is about 69 degrees. Okay, so this is 69 degrees. So now we want to find x. Okay, this one is actually an external triangle outside the circle. So what we can actually do is we find this. Alright, okay, now this is a straight line. So that means now to find my angle ACB, this angle is actually 180 the minus of 69 degrees because it's actually a straight line. So 180 minus 69 will become 111 degrees. Okay, it means this is 111. So now to find my x, this is my x. So this is already 111. So to find my x now, so x will actually be, this whole thing is actually a triangle, so your interior angle is 180. So 180 minus this angle 111 minus 42 degrees. So x will become 25. Okay, so this is 42, so it's actually 27 degrees. So that's the value of x. All right. Okay, so this concept here uses the concept of what we saw just now, tangent of a circle, the third concept. Okay, there's one more question. Okay, let's say we take this question. Now, AOB is actually a tangent. This is the center of a circle. So here we're going to combine it with what we have seen previously. Angle at the center and angle at the circumference. So that means now we are looking for x, y, and z. So if this and this is considered radius, all right, so my angle here, angle, this is QOS, this angle here actually be 2 times 44 degrees, which gives me 88 degrees. Okay, now if this is y, this is being isosceles, means this is also y degree. So to get my y, okay, this is already 88, because here 44. So y will be 180 minus 88. We divide it by 2 because there's 2 y's here. So we'll actually get about so this is 46 degrees. So that's y. Okay, now to find your z, this is the radius and this is the tangent. So radius meets tangent at 90 degrees. So that means y plus z will actually give me 90 degrees. So we found y just now. Y is 46 degrees. So z becomes 90 minus 46, which is 44 degrees. Okay, so that would be my z. Alright, and lastly, to find the x, so the x will be, now what you can actually do is you draw a line here. Alright, so what happens now is this is radius, this is also radius. So if this is x, okay, that is also going to be my x. Alright, so therefore this is 44. You split into 2, so this is 22 degrees, meaning this is also 22 degrees. Alright, so x will be 22 degrees. Okay, alright, okay, and there's one more. Okay, now let's see, we have this. This is also the concept of what we saw just now, the concept of tangent. Okay, we want to find the x and the y. Alright, x and y. So this is 90, this is 90 degrees. Right? So if this is 120, this is already 180. So this here will be 60 degrees. So that means these are actually opposite angles. So therefore my x will actually be 60 degrees. And to find the y, x and y is actually a straight line. So it's 180 minus x. So we just found your x just now. X is actually 60 degrees. So y becomes 120 degrees. Alright? Okay, another question. Now let's say we are looking for length. Now your radius is given as 8 cm. Now this is your AB. This is a tangent. Now this is given as 10 cm. So now let's say the question wants you to look for OB, the length of OB. So if you actually connect this, okay, this is what we're looking for. This is actually a right angle triangle. So to find your OB, what you do is I'm going to use your Pythagoras rule. So it's square root 8 squared plus 10 squared. So this is 164, 64 and 100. So we get about square root of 164 is 12.81 cm. Okay. All right. So basically, these are just 3 examples that we can actually use our concept of tangent as well as the other angles in what we have done under circles. All right, so please go on with the exercises. All right, I'll see you later with more examples. Thank you.